Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial at what3words. In this video, we're going to learn how to use what3words in FishViews. FishViews provides high-resolution water level imagery and data of rivers, lakes, ports, and harbors around the US. Now you can search and discover by 3words address. Let's go to FishViews website. If you click on FishViews Tours, you can select which area you'd like to zoom into, and I chose Lake Washington. And as you can see, Lake Washington area is highlighted in blue. And if I click on the blue highlight, a small screen pops up on the screen showing us the 360 view of the area that I just clicked on, as well as the what3words address of the place that I just clicked on. You can also search by 3words address. So I'm gonna click on the search button and type in crowd next stops. And right now we are at crowd next stops. Alright, let's pick a different location. This time I'm gonna choose Blanco River, Texas. And again, I clicked on the blue highlight, and on the screen I can see the view of Blanco River in Texas. Alright, this is how easy it is to use FishViews. I highly recommend you to use FishViews next time you go fishing. Thank you for watching. See you next time.